Hey candy kings and queens, welcome back. Yes honey, today I am going to be giving you something that you guys have been longing for, and I am so sorry for the wait, okay, but I got you boo. Okay, so today I am dropping some of those tips and tools and the resources that I use to help me to save on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so yes, if you would like to learn more, make sure you stay tuned, but don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Oh wait, but there's more. Yes, so guess what, I started my ASMR channel, and guess what, I need a favor boo. I need you again. I know y'all like, dang, she always need me, but guess what, I got you and you got me, right? That's the way it goes. So I'm gonna need for you to go ahead and click down in the description, read through it a little bit, and go subscribe to my ASMR channel. Put your girl on, okay? Because I love ASMR, as you guys know, and I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, it's so weird, why does she like that? I love it, you guys. It's so cool and so awesome. So yes, please go and subscribe to my ASMR channel, okay? Help me to get my subscribers up, help me to get my views up, help me to do all of that good stuff, because I got you too boo, okay? But anyway, back to what we got for. So yes, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, and make sure you subscribe to the ASMR channel, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys something so cool, so awesome. You're going to love it. At least I hope you do anyway. I know you're going to love it.
Perfect, perfect.
So now, guess what? I came up with a really cool way. A journal basically is what it is, or it's a 12-month calendar that I created with the help of my husband, of course, because he's such an awesome graphic designer and he helps to keep me on point, okay? So guess what? He's keeping you on point too, okay? He got you too, period, okay? You my friend, honey, we do this, okay? So yes, we created this calendar, right? The calendar basically is for the month of January through December, okay? So it's a 12-month calendar. You can print out and you can put it into your own little notebook. I'm going to show you guys my notebook, okay? In this calendar, I'm going to go over how I basically plan out my year, okay? So with this being the month of August, why not go ahead and start preparing yourself for the new year? And with preparation, of course, there comes all types of things that you need to do to get yourself together. Of course, you need to focus on mind, get your mind right, focus on your body, get your body right. If there's some things that you need to take care of before the end of the year, health-wise, then definitely try your best to take care of those issues. Okay, so here we have it. I am showing you all pretty much how this works. I created a 12-month calendar savings challenge, or savings goal metric, that we will focus on from the beginning of 2020. Please note that you are more than welcome to do as shown, or you can do as I plan to do and start now and just continue the journey throughout 2020, giving you additional savings. Also, the cool thing about this challenge or savings goal is you can tweak or change the goal amounts to whatever you feel, so you can double up on some months or even all the months. As you can see, we are using only 3 amounts. You'll start with $100 for 1 month, well, January. The next month, February, you'll start with $200, and the following month you'll save $300. So that's easily $600 saved within 6 months, okay? To continue this process, all you have to do is simply repeat this throughout each of the months throughout the year. If you follow this challenge starting in January and run it until the end of the year, you will have a total of 2,400 extra bucks. Yeah, right, 2,400 extra bucks that you can do as you please. If you decide to double up, of course you'll have $4,800. Right, $4,800. Yeah, now that is an awesome way to start the new year. So yeah, what do you plan to do? Are you going to keep it like it is, do the 100, 200, 300, or do you plan to try to double it up? I'm curious to know, so make sure you leave your comments down below and let's see what we can save. Yeah, good luck. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you like it, and I do hope that you guys will go ahead and print that calendar off so that you can go ahead and get started. I will link the tool, or I will link down to my website where you can actually download this so that you can print it out and put it into your own little portfolio or your own binder so that you too can be on deck. I hope you guys are able to join in, and I hope that you find this really helpful and resourceful, because I've used it several times. It really works well for me, so why not share it with you guys? Okay, so yeah, let me know what you think. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you, love. Have a good one. Okay, bye baby.